Ever since I was young, I always wanted to go sail the world, but I was always afraid I'd never actually do it. I don't believe in fate, but I do believe in making the best out of your situation. A little over a year ago, my situation changed. I had a stroke, lost my job and my career, my ability to fly. Rather than wallow in pity, I decided to make a change. I sold everything I owned and bought a boat and went sailing. I decided to start this YouTube channel to document my journey and hopefully inspire others to make a journey of their own. It doesn't have to be sailing. Just get out there and do what you've always wanted to do. You will never be fully ready. Just set a date and make it happen. This has been a fun ride so far, and I can't wait to find out what's on the next island, over the next horizon. I want to thank you, the viewer, for watching and subscribing. You're the reason we can continue to sail. It's your generosity that helps us raise the funds to keep going. So if you're not a patron yet, please consider going to sailingdoodles.com and finding out how. You can pledge as little as $1 per video. And if you'd like to join us on the boat, visit gofundme.com/sailingdoodles and see how you can join us. I really hope to see you down here on the islands regardless. So get out there and make your dreams happen. Just make it happen.
Mm.